Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. Today I'm focusing on my room and bathroom. I have done some shopping and I have just been throwing everything in here. My bathroom is seriously disorganized and actually very dirty. There's at least 5 loads of laundry to fold, and yes, my laundry routine is still struggling. If this is your first time visiting and you like extremely motivating cleaning videos, subscribe to my channel and be sure to tap the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified.
We were too scared to take the leap. I'm missing the way we used to be.
I'm starting with decluttering my toiletries and makeup, pulling everything out, tossing it if it's used up or expired. I'm going to clean out the drawers, reorganize, and I'm also going to do the same thing to the cabinets underneath my sink. I like to do this once every few months. I get ready in my bathroom every day and doing my hair and makeup. I'm typically in a rush. Sometimes I will come back and put things away and give it a quick surface clean, but lately that clearly hasn't been happening and it bothers me, so finally getting to it is a great feeling. The method cleaner I'm using is my absolute favorite scent from the entire line. I've been using it on and off for about 5 years now and nothing beats this one.
We couldn't get any closer. Tried to forget all that we had. I'm rolling like water in the sea. The memories crashing into me. So close to the edge of something so worth it. You had the world right at your feet. It almost is all we'll ever be. We can't get any closer. Let me go. Left me in this mess I'm falling. Never know. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. Couldn't get any closer. Can't find a reason why. We couldn't get any closer.
I get so many questions on what is in my spray bottle and where it's from. The bottle is from Grove Collaborative. I got it free with my first order. It's great quality and I love the color. All my mixture is 2 parts water, 1 part vinegar, and then I use essential oils to mask the vinegar smell. I've used lavender, lemongrass, orange, and now I'm using peppermint. And so far, lemongrass is my favorite, but of course you guys can use whichever one you like.
Any closer.
It's totally up to you how many drops you want to add in, but I like to add in a lot because I don't like the smell of vinegar. And that's it, you guys. That's my favorite cleaner and most used. I have to admit, I don't wash my makeup brushes and beauty tools as often as I should. I'm trying to get better at it because I've been breaking out. I thought it was a new product I was using, but definitely has to be that my makeup brushes are dirty because as you guys can see, they're filthy. I don't normally take my shower curtain down unless it needs to be washed, and I'm gonna put it back up, but I did buy a new shower curtain and some rugs, so that's why I'm doing it here, and I will wash these things and put them away for another time. One of my viewers suggested I try essential oils in the back of my toilet. I haven't noticed much of a difference yet, but it did smell fresh. Now I'm just straightening up my closet, and I have a huge hot spot full of clutter on the top shelf full of mail and papers that I have been dreading and will continue to avoid until I find the proper time. Get some of this stuff out of the way. Hey guys! I normally wouldn't include a clip like this in one of my cleaning videos, especially. I'm about to sit down and eat my lunch, which is not healthy. Let me make sure I'm in frame before I continue. Oh yeah, I should be in frame. Oh shit, I just broke one of my clips. Oh my god, I stepped on it. I don't know how much of all you guys can see that's going on in the background here, but there's a lot of stuff all over the place. There's a lot of clean clothes that need to be folded and put away. That's what you see in baskets. There's like a few dirty pieces on the floor, but I wasn't gonna include this part. And then I thought, if I just ate my fries with a fork and cleaned at the same time, people would still be grossed out, because you know there's always that one person. There's that one person right now like, why are you eating and talking at the same time? Anyways, this whole catastrophe that's going on right now around me is a little bit overwhelming, and I don't know how many clips I'm going to be able to get. I wanted to make this like a huge time lapse. The multiple baskets of laundry I'm definitely not going to get back to until later on tonight. And I hope you guys don't think I'm trying to like gyp you on extreme cleaning motivation. It's overwhelming. There's not many places where I can place my tripod down on. And yeah, I'm just keeping it real with you guys. And I'm going to keep eating my fries, and then I'll get back up and clean. Or I'll do what I wanted to do in the first place and eat my fries while I clean. And if you're grossed out, I'm still carefree. So while watching this part of my video, I couldn't help but feel so proud of how far my apartment has come. And I see it in my comments all the time, a lot from longtime subscribers. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I truly love making these videos for you guys, and I am forever grateful for all the encouragement and support. This clip pretty much sums up the struggle of cleaning with my kids, and some people don't like that I let them do this, but it doesn't bother me. My family watches my videos and they love seeing these three jump all over the place. I've said this before, but for my recent subscribers, it doesn't bother me that my home gets messy and that my kids ruin my made bed, because one day I'll have everything in order, and I dread that day because kids are only little once. I'll take what I can get and enjoy it. I don't look forward to a clean, quiet home 24/7. I'm cleaning, I'm laughing, dancing, chatting about all the little activities we're gonna do in the afternoon, which was what was in the Dollar Tree bags. Whenever I know I'm going to need more time to get work done, I always go to the Dollar Tree and grab a couple of fun crafts. Versus just having them watch TV. My kids do watch TV, but it's nice to have them sit together and do a craft while I'm at my desk. is a hack I learned from my friend Sarah from the Mama Lounge. I absolutely love her and her channel, by the way. I'll link her information down below for you guys. If you have lemon or orange essential oil and a stubborn price tag, this tip is perfect for that. I buy a lot of things that do have this, so thanks, girl. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.